Hey everyone, Nick from Accounting Add-ons here, and in this video I'll show you how to get your data from OdataLink, whether it's MYOB or Xero, and into Power BI. Now this video assumes that you've already connected and configured OdataLink, that you've actually added your data files you want to use, as well as configured the model and chosen what endpoints you want to expose. Now let's get into it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll jump to OdataLink and choose OData feeds. This will list all the different OData feeds available, and we can choose one and click copy. We can then jump into Power BI, and via the menu at the top we can go get data and make sure we choose OData feed, and then we can paste our URL. We can then click OK, and this will list all the different endpoints available for that OData feed. We can tick the ones we want and click load. Now this will connect to our servers and pull all the different endpoints that we've selected. If we want to make modifications to that endpoint, we can actually right click on it and choose Edit Query, and this will bring the Power Query Editor where we can actually remove columns and refine the data. So that's how easy it is to get the data, whether it's MYOB or Xero, from OdataLink into Power BI. Hope you found this interesting, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.